Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Welcome back to another vlog, and also welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. We officially made it to day 4, and before we dive right into today's video, I do have a package I would like to unbox with you guys. I actually got this package from the TikTok shop. Some accessories for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Oh my god, look at that. I got a viral case for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. I got the color pink. We're actually going to put it on right now and see how cute this is going to look. Officially getting into the holiday spirit. It's really beginning to look like Christmas. It feels like Christmas. It smells good like Christmas, but there's still something missing from my holiday spirit. For today, we are going to be doing some minimal decor for my bedroom. So we are going to take a trip to TJ Maxx. We want to see if we can get some decor for my bedroom to just keep the holiday vibes going on. I really do want to get like a comforter set, probably a red or a dark green color, and also I want to get a few little decors like little trees, little ornaments to just put around my room to just kind of give the vibes for the holidays. I also would like to get some special holiday candles, and also we are going to be trying a new holiday drinks either from Dunkin' Donut or Starbucks or any of these good coffee shops. I also do want to get a PJ for the holiday, for the Christmas. Yeah, we are just going to go get ready and head out, and our first stop is going to be TJ Maxx. Of the house, and we are at TJ Maxx right now. I cannot wait to go in there and see what they have. Afterwards, we're gonna go look for some coffee shop nearby and see what holiday drinks we can find. Holiday drink do you guys have? We got our holiday drink right here. I got the peppermint mocha coffee, and I'm about to try it for the first time and let you guys know how it actually tastes. Cheers! Honestly, it tastes more like cocoa. It tastes just like hot chocolate to me, but it's not bad. It tastes good. It's just like hot chocolate for me. It's really good. So good. It's hot just for the cold. I don't really feel the peppermint flavor inside, but it's okay. So we made it home, and I'm about to give you guys a quick haul of all of the stuff that I got from TJ Maxx, and afterwards I'm gonna quickly take my shower before actually setting up or decorating my room for the night. It's screaming the vibe. It is so cute. Look at the cute teddy bear with the bow tie on it. And the color is dark brown and it's actually like my vibe too. And the little bears on it give Christmas vibe as well. So I just had to get it. It is so cute. And starting off are these pillows that are so cute. I love the design. It's like little Christmas tree all over it. Next is this king size comforter, and it's also in the color green and white. It is so cute and so soft. Next is this king size sheet set. It's actually so cute. The design in it is amazing. Next is this cute side table lamp that I also got. It is really portable. Like it can literally fit in my palm. I'm gonna be getting rid of the one I currently have. Probably gonna take it to the other bedroom and just put this little tiny one right over there. One cool thing about this lamp is it has like different settings. You can set a timer on it, and you can also adjust the brightness of the lamp, which is like top notch. Next is this bow tie pillow that I got. It's actually so cute, and I got this in color red. I think it's really going to be cute. I also got these cute socks as well. They are really soft and it's so going to be cozy because it's getting cold now. I also got these cute sock slippers as well for nighttime. Unfortunately, I could not find any Christmas pajamas. I was really sad, and all of the ones I saw were kind of too big for me. There was just no point of getting them. So tonight I'm going to be wearing one of these socks and just some old pajamas that I already have. Probably in the future I will get a nice Christmas pajamas for the holidays, but you guys will not believe what I'm about to show you next. It sounds very silly, but it is cute. It's a little sweater for my bunny. Look at the nice little hat in front of it. It is so cute. She's gonna be vibing for the Christmas too. I'm going to try to put it on her tonight if she lets me do it. She's gonna be wearing this tonight and she's gonna be showing you guys too. But it is so cute. Look at the little design in the back that just gonna give the holiday vibes, and this little art is irresistible. It's like a cute hoodie sweater for her. I'm actually going to cry. It is so cute. Got a small size Christmas tree that lights up for my room. I'm going to be putting this on my little side table over there when I take out the big lamp, and I'm going to just have these two and my candles on the side table. I think it's really going to be cute. I know it's going to be cute. Next is this cute pink and white snowman and mug. It's very lightweighted. I think this will be good for like morning coffees when it's really cold, or morning tea, or hot chocolate. And lastly is this cute ornament candle. It looks like a Christmas tree decor. It's the cinnamon note and it smells really good. That's all of the stuff that I got from TJ Maxx. I actually had fun shopping today. I'm about to go take my shower really quick, and afterwards we are going to start with the decor and setting up everything. So I guess I'll see you guys in a few minutes. It feels so good, so relaxing, so cozy. Oh, I just love everything about it. It is so cute. Oh my god, look at her. There she goes. Come give me a kiss. Oh, she's so cute. She loves jumping on the bed and just, try to move the pillows around and stuff like that. She always likes to do that. I know it feels strange, Shelly. We got a new bedding. Come on. We got new covers and stuff. Do you like it? Ooh, she's scratching. How do you like it, Shelly? Do you like it? Are you gonna... I thought she peed. It is so cute. It is so cozy. Like, I just love everything about the setting. This little bow tie pillow. Hmm. It really turned things up. Like, so freaking cute. And the little lamp over there. Oh my god. That is a game changer. It just literally lighten up the whole room and just has this cozy aesthetic vibes to the room. Ah, I am so in love with it. And the candle is smelling so good. Like everything about it just smells really good. Like I just love the vibe. I love the setting. I love the holiday season. And yeah, I feel so good. I'm happy. And I do hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog today. Well, that's gonna be it for day 4. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this. If you did, go ahead and like, comment down below what you think. Also remember to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.